Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card at the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And for that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Here in the instructions you will find this little card here. No? You can remove this one here, and then you will find on the back of the gray card here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it like this here. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert one nano SIM card. Let's start with that. So fix it well. And there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Again, if you're ready with it, just insert the SIM tray again into the SIM slot. The contacts, they are to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.